Please open up! I am freezing out here!
Come on, come on! He's gonna score this time!
I've already reached level 8, and nobody can stop me now.
Ben! Tom! Could someone please open this door now?
Now you have to dance, okay? I've already taught you how.
I'll try the bedroom window. Maybe someone will actually look.
Some silly person is throwing snowballs at our window again.
Amy, did Ben actually lock you out there?
It was just an accident. Everything's fine. This hot soup will keep us all warm today, I think. Ben, we need firewood outside. Could you go, please?
Could you get it just this once?
Fine. I'll just get it myself, like I always do. Oh no, I've left my phone on the kitchen counter.
Come on, come on! He's gonna score this time!
I've already reached level 8, and nobody can stop me now.
Now you have to dance, okay? I've already taught you how.
Please open up! I am freezing out here! Ben! Tom! Could someone please open this door now?
Yes! Finally! That was the best goal I've seen all season!
I'll try the bedroom window. Maybe someone will actually look.
Some silly person is throwing snowballs at our window again.
Amy, did Ben actually lock you out there?
It was just an accident. Everything's fine.
Well, you just let me know if you need anything, love.
If I can reach that switch, they'll all have to notice. We need this power on right now.
What's happened? The power's gone off completely, hasn't it?
My game! I hadn't even saved it before the power went.
She stopped working. Something's actually wrong with the whole house.
Torch is in this drawer. I know it's here.
I'll carry it. I'm good with these. Mum's not back yet. She went for firewood.
I completely missed that. We need to check. Mom! Are you still out here? Can you hear me?
Footprints stop here. Where has she gone, though?
She had no coat on. She'll be really cold. Mom! Can you hear me? Where have you actually gone?
Mum! Are you all right? We were so worried.
30 minutes, Ben. In slippers, in the snow.
I've wrapped this blanket around you as tight as possible.
Mom, I'm so glad we found you. I was really scared.
I have never appreciated this heater quite as much before. Who shut the curtain while I was waving?
Me. I couldn't see it was you. Sorry.
Ben thought you were a stranger and just shut the curtain.
He closed the curtain on his own mum in the snow.
I think I'll just go and sit on the sofa now.
Tom, would you like some hot chocolate? I'm making some now.
Mum, could I possibly have a cup of tea, please?
Tom, here's yours. Lily, yours is on the table, sweetheart.
Mum, I'm truly sorry. I should have been paying attention today.
I'll make your tea, but you're doing dishes for a week.
Hot chocolate, extra marshmallows. It's a peace offering.
Good start, Ben. Thank you. I forgive you.
I've also found your warmest gloves. They were in the cupboard.
Come here, all three of you. I'm not actually that angry. None of you noticed I had gone outside.
Being busy is no excuse. I know that. We should always know where everyone is in our house.
I've installed a spare key box next to the back door.
From now on, my phone is coming outside with me, always.
I've checked every single lock in this house right now.
I've drawn exactly what happened so we never forget it.
Ben shut the curtain on his own mum.
We're never talking about that again, Tom.
I don't think any of us will forget this snowy day.
I've made the list. We won't forget anything today.
Good. Let's pay attention today, shall we?
We're coming too. We've already put our coats on.
My shoes are on. I'm completely ready.
Oh, they're replaying yesterday's match on this little screen here.
Ben, dog food is in our trolley right now.
We haven't got a dog, have we?
I've already recorded that. It's gonna be very funny.
We got everything on the list, almost.
Except the dog food. That wasn't on the list.
I can't find my wallet. I've checked every pocket twice already.
Tom, check the trolley. Lily, look under those shelves.
Not in the trolley. I've looked already.
We'll check the cameras for you. Thank you. I genuinely don't know where I've lost it.
Your wallet dropped near the fruit section when you walked past.
Found your wallet near the apples. It's all there.
Thank you. Nothing's missing. I'm truly grateful.
You found it! Everything's still inside!
That's really brilliant. Thank you so much for keeping it.
Please, let me buy you a coffee. I really insist.
That's very kind. I'd be happy to accept, thank you.
I made these at home. Please take some.
Homemade. You're a very kind family. Kindness like this is something that always comes back around.
I'm gonna try to remember what you've just said.
I've written it down so I never forget, ever.
Thank you for the coffee and cookies.
And thank you for keeping the wallet safe.
Why return it? He could have just kept the money.
Kindness is always a choice, Tom. He chose it. I'm making a special dinner.
There's lots to celebrate today.
I've set the table and I've polished every single piece of cutlery.
Then Ben shut the curtain on his own mum.
You've told that story twice at dinner, Tom. She's working again, now that we've got the power back on.
Today reminded me, we should always notice the people right beside us.
I'm sorry I didn't notice. I won't make that mistake again.
Next time I'll pay attention before I start doing other things. You've written kindness comes back.
From today? From today and the kind man.
Both things together. This has actually been one of the best days we've had. I've checked the door and the key box.
Good, Tom. I'm really glad you're paying attention. What a peaceful winter morning. Everything is
Good night, Mom. I'm glad we found you outside
good
today.
night, Lily. I'm glad you went looking for me.
Good night! Ben should have opened that curtain, though, shouldn't he?
Good night, Tom. Close your door, please. I'm sorry for this morning. I really mean it.
I know. Just drink your tea, Ben. And I've decided you're forgiven. All three of you, completely.
I don't think any of us will ever forget today, actually.
Notice how the brightest embers always burn closest to the...
Look at how the winter sun creates a pure golden glow across the landscape. The fresh...
I've been thinking about yesterday. We learned a lot.
I've got it in my notebook.
I've already checked the back door and the key box again.
I've made your tea. 2 sugars, just as you like.
You remembered. That's a good sign.
I've put the drawing on the fridge so we'll never forget.
The garden looks so beautiful this morning.
Mum walked through all of that in her slippers.
I'm just so glad we all notice each other now, aren't you?
I've checked it again. The lock is still working perfectly. This one's for the curtain, Ben. I've packed 2 snowballs.
I'm going for Ben too.
For the power switch!
I know it was you. I was outside. I know nothing.
My hot chocolate definitely has the most marshmallows in it.
Tom, that's not the point of today at all.
Did you like our snowy adventure? Please like and subscribe to our channel today.